Hey guys, Wayne Stevenson here, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about a rumor that hasn't really been a rumor because nobody's been talking about it. At least nobody that I know. Today, I just learned that about 15 days ago, the Betaflight Configurator for the Android operating system was released. How cool is that? I'm excited about that because years ago, I had the option to adjust my PIDs, RC rates, and everything through the multi-week configurator. I also had the Easy GUI ground station where I could connect to my multi-week drone that way over Bluetooth. So this is really exciting stuff. With this new Betaflight configurator, we can be in the field without lugging laptops with us or without going through our menus on our OSD to control our PID rates, RC rates, make our settings changes and that. We have full Betaflight configuration available right from our cell phone. How cool is that? That's cool, right? There are some limitations. For one, not all cell phones are created equally. Not all tablets are created equally. So, I mean, just out of these old ones that I have here, I think only 2 of them it actually works with. And both of them that work aren't working 100% equally. For instance, this one right here, this is my main phone, my everyday phone. It connects fine for most. However, with some flight controllers, it's not providing enough voltage, so I need to have the battery connected, which is a big no-no. I don't like that. And then I got this one here, which the one that one doesn't work with. My actually, this Mobula here, I had it laying here as I plugged it in. So with this one here, I have to have the battery plugged in for it to connect. And with this phone here, it's my wife's phone. It provides enough voltage that it can light it up no problem. So with that said too, some of these other Android phones will not connect. Now that's not unique to these, because if you've ever had any on-the-go or OTG equipment, you will know that not all of these are compatible with it for whatever reason. So you know, don't think that just because the software exists, it's going to work 100% for you. In fact, on this one right here, the software doesn't work at all. Just not compatible with the Betaflight software. And these are older ones, so I'm sure most of you guys have a more modern Android phone or tablet that it will be compatible with. Let's go over to the computer, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So essentially, you're just going into the Betaflight Configurator GitHub page here. You're going to scroll down right over to the bottom here to Assets. Right there. Click on the Assets drop down right like that. And select Betaflight Configurator 10.7.0 Preview Android.apk. It's going to download that. You install it, and you're good to go. Do I want to download file? Yes, let's download. Once the download's done, you just swipe down. Most Android software, you swipe down, click on the file. You might have to go through your file manager to open it. Usually it'll give you a settings error. Says your phone's set to block installations of apps. Go into your lock screen security and you can click unknown sources. Allow this installation only. So that's just going to install it for that installation. It's going to ignore the fact that it's an unknown source. And you want to install an update to this. Click install. It's going to install it. Now you'll be able to run it. Anyhow, that's that. Let's plug it into a flight controller. Okay, so we're going to start up Betaflight Configurator, and just like on your computer, you can be set to auto connect, which we do have it set to auto connect. There we go. Lights are coming on. A little laggy. Don't worry about that. You're not going to need that. And as well, just like the computer version of Configurator, you have all your different functions there. Hey, So go download that now. Let me know how it works out for you in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's, your failures with it, your successes. I've had a few challenges myself getting this working. Not all of my phones will it work on. Software crashes, hangs up. And then on other phones they don't work with OTG to begin with. So I can't connect anything other than a power cord to it to charge my phones. I'd also like to give a big thanks to the Betaflight team. You guys have been doing amazing work, and I'm sure some of you are still on this project from way back in the multi-wee days, base flight, clean flight. You guys have made this hobby amazing. Many thanks to this. I've been waiting for this long time. Thank you, and thanks for watching.